Come test drive the 2017 Honda Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity, all that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, remote engine start, navigation system, lane departure warning, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, moonroof, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.